So hello pharma guys, welcome to my channel Easy Learn Pharma. So today I'm going to discuss about another interesting chapter that is known as posology. So what is that? Posology. Okay. So it is a very interesting chapter in the pharmaceutics subject. So first of all, you should know what do you mean by posology. Okay, simply you can say posology means that is the dose calculation science. But dose calculation science. Okay, that means how to calculate the dose, how to calculate the dose for a particular patient. That means in this chapter you have to study how to calculate the dose before prescribing to the particular patient. And when you have to calculate the dose for a particular patient, in that time what are the factors affect to the posology. So these are the parts in the posology that I will be discussed in this class. So now come to the point. So what is posology, or what is the definition of the posology, or where the posology word is derived? Simply, first of all, you should know the posology word is derived from the Greek word. It's derived from the Greek word that is posos, that is posos and logos. Okay, the posology word is derived from the Greek word that is posos and logos. So posos means what? Now, how much? Okay, and the logos means science. Clear? So first of all, the posology word is derived from the Greek word, two Greek word, that is posos and logos. And the posos, that is meaning is how much, and logos means science. That means you have to study regarding the how to calculate the dose for a particular patient. So what is the definition of the posology? What is the particular definition of the posology? Now posology, it is the branch of the medical science that deals with the study of dose, dose, study of dose or quantities of drugs. Okay, so what is that? Now posology, it is the branch of medical science which deals with the study of dose or quantities of drugs that can be administered to the particular patient for getting the pharmacological response. So that is called known as posology. Clear? So what do you mean by posology? Now posology, that is, it is the branch of medical science that deals with the study of dose and quantities of drugs that can be administered to the particular patient for getting the pharmacological response. That is called known as posology. Clear? So এই জায়গাটা ଗୋଟେ word আছে কি what is dose? What do you mean by dose? Dose কইলে আমি বুঝি যে কোন? Simply you can say the dose means that is completely depends upon the quantitative amount. Okay, the dose is completely depends upon the quantitative amount. Okay, and that can be administered to the particular patient for the effect of pharmacological response or for the effect of therapeutic action. Here, so that is the dose. So what do you mean by dose? A dose is the quantitative amount that can be administered to the particular patient for intended pharmacological response. That is called as dose. Clear? So what do you mean by posology and what do you mean by dose? Now come to the point. What are the factors affecting the posology? That means when a physician prescribe the medicines, when a physician prescribe the medicine to the particular patient, in that time, what are the parameters, what are the factors affect to the calculation of the dose? Okay, that means during the calculation of the dose for the particular patient, what are the parameters will be affect to that calculation of the dose. So what are the parameters will be affect? The first parameter is age and weight of the patient, age and weight of the patient. Okay, and second one is the sex, and third one is tolerance, and next fourth one is simultaneously, 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 simultaneously administered two or more drugs, what happened? Now one is synergistic effect, and another one is antagonistic effect. Antagonistic effect. Clear? And next one is severity of the disease. Severity of the disease. Okay? And next parameter is route of administration. Route of administration. Next one is the time of administration. Time of administration. And the next one is idiosyncrasy. And last one is allergy. Okay, so these are the parameters to affect, or these are the parameters to affect to the calculation of the dose, or these are the parameters affect to the during the calculation of the dose. So first one is the age and weight of the patient, second one is the sex, third one is the tolerance, next simultaneously administer two or more drugs, that is the synergistic effect, another one is the antagonistic effect, next one is the severity of the disease, next route of administration, next time of administration, then idiosyncrasy, and last one is the allergy.